Look, some of the really general hard and fast rules that we have at Flipro, I mean, the first one that comes to mind for me is for every dollar that you spend, we look to add a minimum of $2 worth of value. Okay, that is what I would say the going metric for how we look to set a budget for any renovation. And as a general rule, the renovation budget should not really exceed more than about 10% of the property's value. As a general rule, there are a lot of exceptions, especially when you're dealing in, higher spec, higher end sort of properties that are in, higher value areas. Of course, you're going to get more renovation, higher renovation budget that's needed to get a higher uptick. But that again is simply just a commercial analysis and evaluation that decides that makes a very easy decision for the homeowner.